砂漠のガーラ。俺もお前に興味がある。名は？
Hi everybody! Today is my day 2, but it is the last day of Anime New York City. This is my Gaara cosplay. Obviously going to start with a pair of colored contacts because Gaara, braid your hair to prep for the wig, and also to get your hair out of your face. I'm going to explain this quick makeup tutorial, but stay to the end for clips from the convention and final thoughts. I look like the Wendy's girl. Anyway, add primer to your face for a smoother surface and use a foundation a little lighter than what you usually use. I use the foundation to wash out some of my eyebrows, but you could erase it more completely by looking up drag tutorials. I just prefer to keep my eyebrows intact. It's time to line your eyelids. You want to make sure your eyes are dark and smoky, so don't forget to line the top lid too. You can conceal away those sleepless nights, or you can be ironic and keep them for an authentic Gaara insomniac look. You can pat down everything with a dry foundation to have a matte finish. I use a little bit of bronzer to do a light contour around the nose and cheeks to bring back some of the facial features. Now the key thing about Gaara's eyes are that they are in the shape of a parallelogram. Yes, we're gonna bring out those geometry textbooks because we're doing cosplay. Now here's the hardest part. First you start from the inner corner of your eye and you draw a straight line like that of the side of a parallelogram. Then work your way straight across from that corner to the end of your eye to form a cat eye. Tip here will be to keep your eye half open so you can see what it'll look like when your eyes are completely open. This is especially helpful for people with monolids or hooded eyelids such as myself because a lot of the color might be hidden in your eye folds, so you might need to exaggerate your lines a little more. Everyone has their own eye shape, so you just need to figure out what works for your face in particular. So the final touches are to blend out the eyeliner from the lower lash line. I prefer the smoky eye look. I mean, you don't have to. I like to add some shimmer to the highlights of my face, such as my cheekbone, inner corner of my eye, my nose, my nostrils, you know, the works. And we're pretty much done. Final recommendation for this femme Gaara look is to put on some false lashes because the lashes will give you that dramatic feminine anime look that you want. I'd say do it for any female character you're going for, even if you're going for drag. It just gives you the drama that you want to be in your own anime drama. And now we are pretty much done. Add on your wig, put a heart shape on your head, wear your Gaara accessories, enjoy Anime New York City. Hey, what up teammates? Welcome back to tchan Productions. I am tchan. Probably similar to many of you, I grew up loving and watching a lot of anime. However, as much as I fangirled, and I fangirled a lot, I never would have imagined that I would be one of those weebs who would go into cosplay. Like, it's one thing to be loving, obsessing, and maybe even crushing on your favorite character, but to dress up and pretend to be the character? Younger Tiff was like, gosh, I'm too cool for that. So clearly I finally caved in and cosplayed. But let me give you the backstory about how it all went down. So as I've been growing older, I'm trying to challenge the biases I have and decided last year, why not? Why hate on something I've never tried before? Yeah. Why not just like go and sign up for some like anime convention? Oh, I know. How about you like also go in full cosplay too? Yeah, so this is definitely not an average day in the life of Tiff, but it wasn't so bad after all. One of the things I thoroughly enjoyed about the experience was that everyone was there to just have fun. Like, it was cool that other people were dressing up and they were buying into their character and just having a blast. It's like when you're a kid and you're playing imagination and you're just like, yeah, let's like pretend to be a mermaid, and then it's like, yeah, let me be a firefighter. Oh my gosh, wait, don't hold me down. I'm a mermaid. I need to live in the water, not blast it at me. Oh, oopsies, I'm gonna be a police officer now. Oh no, I'm actually a squirrel stuck in a tree. But then like you're an adult now, and so it's like socially acceptable when you're cosplaying, right? Right? Yeah. Yeah, it was definitely so fun meeting new people who were super open-minded and just wanted to have fun. And it was cool for me to just consider someone else's perspective because this was something I heavily resisted against, and it was cool to be able to literally walk in someone else's wig. So dear younger Tiff, I encourage you, and I encourage you, to try something new, or try something you never thought you'd do, because you never know. You might just gain the perspective of someone completely different from you, and you might just become a little more of an understanding person. And who knows, maybe you might also grow to be a more compassionate person and learn to love others a little better. And isn't that a thought? Yes. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. For those of you who are going to Anime New York City in the next couple of weeks, depending on when I post this, hope you have a blast. Please take a lot of photos and make all the friends. And to everybody else, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!